going on, guys? This is my 2016 and a half new body Chevy Cruze. So just like the brand new ones you're looking at buying right now, same as the 2020 model. It's got the 1.4 turbo and it is an RS LT. So right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you one of the things I love about this car, and that is the aggressive styling, the nice LED accents, the nice lower ground effects, big mouth grille. I mean, it's a cheap economy car, but it looks super aggressive. You could, if you like just woke up in the morning and started rubbing your eyes, maybe think this was a Camaro possibly. So if we go around to the side, we can also see that Chevy brought along down to the side. It has a very aggressive side skirt. Just don't pay attention to the 16-inch wheel. I don't know, Chevy. You can switch that. You can buy something different. I don't know why they did that. And then you can also see they carried all that aggressiveness along to the back. So when people are looking at your booty, they jealous. All right, guys, so the next thing I like about this car is not necessarily the 1.4 part, but the turbo part. This is a K&N cold air intake. We made a video on installing that. It makes cool choo-choo noises and stuff now. You can check that video out if you'd like. But it's a 1.4 turbo, and it's direct inject, all the like coolness. It makes great power, mid-range and up top. It really lacks down below coming from a stop. That can be changed with a tuner, which is a bonus. Things I like about this car, you can do stuff to it. You can put a tuner on it, you can put an exhaust on it, you can put an intake on it. You can do a lot of things with this car because it's the new like economy like race car thing. It's like the Cavalier of the new day. Number 3, this little contraption right here. It's got a little net back here, and I've had many cars with a sunroof. Almost every vehicle I've owned has had a sunroof. Some RTV shut. This one actually works. So what this does is you can see, we live in PA, forgive me, but it gets all the bugs and dirt and whatever it is that you're driving through at night or during the day, and it doesn't let it in the car. The car stays super clean on the inside. So up here is a look from the screen from the inside. You really don't notice it that much. It's not bad at all, but it definitely helps, and it's definitely worth the money. So next thing is, we're gonna fire her up here. It's getting hot in PA, so we need that air conditioning. So it's got a very nice center dash, temperature control, radio bezel in it. I really like the way the camera works. We're not even moving right now, but if I turn my wheel, it shows you your trajectory of where you're gonna go. So that is super nice. We have a Prius that we paid a lot of money for. That's the same year as this, that does not do that. This is a very nice setup, and I do give it to GM for that one. Also, if you look over here, the next thing on the list is my fuel economy. My best is 51. I've had that up to 54. My average right now, because we've been starting it up, making this video, is only 30. But very easily, this car can get 40 miles per gallon every tank, very easily. And as you can see, can hit 50 miles per gallon. That again, like I said, we have a Prius. That is in Prius territory for much less money than what the Prius is. Now the Prius has its own niche. I love that Prius. I would buy another one, but this is a lot less money, guys, a lot less money. So going along with the center, GM did not skimp at all. If we look, it's got a very nice leather shifter cover, traction control. Mind the mess, guys. I've driven this thing, I drive this thing like 35K a year. So we have carpeting here along with the auto start. We also have carpeting on the door panel. GM really did a nice job on this interior. Everything is very nice. I love that it's black. Now that could just be an option that they picked, but it is black from the roof to the floor. So GM did a very good job. And we're gonna do another bonus. What I like about this car is the air conditioning. She works great. I work outside during the day, and I get in my car. I have a half an hour, 45-minute ride home. I'm chilled out like I'm in an ice box by the time I get home. This air conditioner works very well, and we are in PA, like I said. It is hot and humid up here. So the air conditioning does amazing. Slight downfall is when you pull up to a light, car turns off, it turns off. You can solve that getting on and off the brakes. But the question is should you buy this car? Yes, you should definitely buy this car. This is a very great car for the value. I bought it with 22,000 miles on it in 2019, so it was 3 years old, and I paid like 15 grand for it. Very good value, one of the best on the market at that point in time. That was before the virus came, so car lots were still selling a lot. I didn't get a very good discount on it, but it was fair for what was going on in my area at that point in time. You can also see that right here I have everything from the steering wheel. Hang up on somebody, make a phone call, the cruise control. This is for the thing in the dash there, so I can make adjustments. I have radio, I can turn it up, switch the channel, all that. GM did a very nice job with this interior.